Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Hackin. My name is Abhishek and in today's video, we are going to talk about career in cybersecurity, job roles and their requirement and why cybersecurity is important. So let's get started. So first thing comes in our mind, why cybersecurity? There are many reasons. With modernizing world, new technologies are being invented daily and everything is becoming online. From communication, banking, shopping, food, industries, everything. So with such increase of internet and wireless communication, the threat of leaking a sensitive data, PII, such as personal identifiable information, protected healthcare information, government, defense, military, industry data are at peak of getting leaked. So we need high professional and security professionals to prevent such leaks. Cybersecurity can be great career option due to various factors. First thing, it's a newborn. Like it has been only 10 years that cybersecurity came in place. Before that, nobody gives shit about any cybersecurity or any personal information getting leaked. Booming career option. Yes, it is a booming career option because there are, as I said, it's newborn and there are not many people knowing about cybersecurity and they think cybersecurity is only hacking, which is illegal. Also, increase in demand of security professionals. There are many job roles which remains vacant due to unskilled security professionals. Like there are no security professionals available, as if in India also. Huge increase in cyber attack. Like in 2020, the stats came out that it was only 11 seconds per attack. In 2018 and 2019, it was 20 and 40 seconds respectively. But in 2020, it was only 11 seconds, and it will become more and more as we go in future. So cybersecurity is really important here. Increase in online dependency. We all know we cannot live without internet. Everything has been online, so online must be safe. To save life, cybersecurity can save life because the breaches are not only done by hackers but also by terrorists. And by terrorists I mean the people who want to kill people. So if security professionals can protect our data and protect us from getting hacked by terrorists, we can save lives. And by 2020, there is an estimate that it would be 3.5 million vacant positions, not only positions but vacant positions because lack of security and skilled labor. Career in cybersecurity can be divided into three layers: entry level, mid level, and advanced level. There are many different job roles which can be divided into these three levels. So we'll see first entry level. The entry level job roles are system engineer, system administrator, web developer, IT technician, network engineer, and security specialist. In mid level role, there comes security technician, security analyst, incident responder, IT auditor, cybersecurity consultant, and penetration tester. And at advanced level comes cybersecurity manager, cybersecurity architect, cybersecurity engineer, and chief information security officer. These levels are divided as per your experience and your specialty. So which career options to choose? There are many job roles in cybersecurity, but determining the right path of your on based on your interest is very important. We'll conduct a small survey determining 6 personalities in our cybersecurity field. First, the problem solver. If you like to solve problem, then this incident responder job is for you. The characteristics required are critical thinking, perspective, and analytical skills. Quick learner. If you're a quick learner, then security architect can be a job role for you because the characteristics required are curious, research based, worked well under pressure. So if you can work well under pressure, the security architect is the job for you. The Avenger. Obviously, the job role, security engineer, it's a great job role. If you can think quickly, instinctively, so this job role is for you. The teacher. If you like to teach or if you like to give advice, then cybersecurity consultant can be a job role for you. It requires helpful, caring, effective listening, and knowledge. And lastly, the enthusiastics. Uh, if you like to hack and if you like to hack legally, then the penetration tester can be a job role for you. It's a great career option. I myself am a penetration tester and I know the feeling like whenever I get a bug or whenever I solve any security problem, what peak level my mind goes. And lastly, the hustler, which is bug bounty hunting. If you don't want to do cybersecurity career as your full-time job, but you still are interested in cybersecurity, you can do bug bounty hunting. What is bug bounty hunting? What do bug means? What is bounty? We will be covering series of bugs, how to find it, how to prevent it on upcoming videos in this channel. So stay tuned. There are many websites such as Bugcrowd, Synack, HackerOne where you can register for free and report bugs and you can get paid from that. Last thing, we need to keep up with industry. What do I mean by that is stay up to date on industry's trend. We can do that by reading blog posts, write-ups, security reports by another professionals as well. The second thing is work on your passion. Anything you do can be related to cybersecurity. Like if you like to do coding, you can relate that to cybersecurity by doing code review, white box pen testing, or by writing secure code. And the next thing is continue your education. In cybersecurity, you will never stop learning. Each day there will be new technology and you have to learn it. You can do that by doing certification, training, or solving CTF, hack the box, try Acme, such problems. And on screen you can see some resources such as Hack the Box, Try Acme, OneHub to practice CTF and vulnerable machines. OSCP, CISSP, ELAN security can be certification that you can do. Twitter, Medium, GitHub can be blog posts that you can follow to be up to date. And lastly, thanks for watching the video guys. If you learned something new, please consider subscribing this channel. I'll be uploading such useful videos daily. Till then, stay safe, stay curious. Bye.